Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 desktop and taskbar icons are showing as blank white pages or displaying the wrong images, your system icon cache is completely corrupted. I will show you exactly how to rebuild this database using the command line right now. Let's get started. First, you must open the Windows command line tool with administrative privileges to safely manipulate protected system files. Open your Windows Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, and locate the Command Prompt application. Right-click the command prompt entry in the search results and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt to authorize the application to modify your cache directory. Next, you must forcefully shut down the Visual Shell environment because it actively locks the icon cache files. Type taskkill /f /im explorer.exe into your elevated command prompt window and press Enter. Your screen background will momentarily go black and your taskbar will disappear, which is completely normal. Keep the command prompt window open and selected as you will use it for the final commands. Finally, deleting the damaged cache files forces Windows to generate a completely fresh icon database from scratch. Type del /a /q %local app data %iconcache.db and press Enter to delete the primary user icon cache. Type del /a /q %local app data %Microsoft /Windows /Explorer /iconcache * and press Enter to clear the extended database. Type start explorer.exe and press Enter to instantly reload your desktop environment and restore your icons. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.